नमस्तुभ्यं प्रसीद.
This is the story of sharing, to carry forward the torch of a new hope, fetching out the dreams and aspirations of two peoples, working together in perfect synchrony, SL Mines and the tribals of the region. Located in the inhospitable and hilly terrain of the Barbil region, SL Mines has nevertheless established itself as a torchbearer in the mining industry in terms of its achievements, high productivity, high profit and high export earnings. SL Mines is the integral part of the most preeminent business house in India, the Aditya Birla Group. SL Mines, with the active involvement of the local villagers and incorporating indigenous and community knowledge, have transformed the quality of life in this area. The company has so far adopted 19 villages in the region, benefiting nearly 30,000 people. The company's community initiatives are channelized through the A.V. Birla Jan Seva Trust, a humanitarian organization doing exemplary work among the socially deprived ethnic communities around the mining operations. To develop the quality of life by bringing about an all-round development in the community, people need a caring insight into their lives and the vision to turn their aspirations into a lasting reality. At SL Mines, we have carefully identified 5 major areas that need special attention: Sustainable Livelihood Program, Education and Capacity Building, Health and Family Welfare, Infrastructure Development, Social Causes and Women Empowerment. We truly care about the quality of life of the people around our mines. Through joint endeavors of the tribals and SL Mines, parallel sources of livelihood have come up in the region. Building up the skills in these people to bring about an increased income has been one of our major targets. Our team of experts has been working together with them in training farmers to use better farming techniques and facilitate increased productivity. At SL Mines, we treasure knowledge and literacy. These children are the future of this region, and we have started their initiation into academics in the very early stages of their growth in the Balwadi preschools. In a joint effort with the government, we are setting up model schools for these villages under the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. The adult education centers have met with overwhelming response. For us, the path to serving society essentially means ensuring a healthy quality of life for everyone through different health initiatives. Several families have taken up our health and hygiene program and are acting as examples for the rest. A healthy family means a happy society. We have got active support of the villagers in a number of construction projects, like the building of roads and bridges, schools, and community centers. The people themselves are taking an initiative in digging up tube wells, setting up water storage tanks, and other infrastructure building activities to improve their living conditions. Many areas are now setting up solar lights as an environment-friendly alternative. We are empowering tribal women through the formation of self-help groups, encouraging them to get involved in the habit of savings and to promote business. This makes them more socially aware through regular participation in meetings and in sharing knowledge that can make a difference to their lives. Our aim has always been to facilitate people to stand up on their feet and have mobilized several villages to develop their entrepreneurship qualities and start up business ventures of their own as part of our corporate social responsibility. In our onward journey, we have crossed several milestones, earning recognition from various bodies. And thus, the journey of SL Mines will carry on. A journey that believes in stringing lives on a single thread of harmony and prosperity, coloring all with a touch of green.